welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cerave, here with some skincare tips for you, for me, for everybody, and even some lifestyle stuff. So you guys, 2020 coming to an end, and I still want to show you guys some really great products of 2020. The hype, the people loving it, the people still using it, but I'm gonna show you some, and some I'm gonna actually just pop up in some videos if I don't have the product because it's empty and I don't have it anymore. So the first thing first is it's all skincare. It's mostly like all skincare, so we're gonna call it the best, one of the top skincare products 2020. And the first one, what I'm gonna put up is this right here, Paula's Choice BHA 2% exfoliant. Oh my god, this product right here is a game changer for a lot of people's life. Even so, for my life, I actually was using Paula's Choice a very long time. Continue using it in the new year because it's great and I really like it. I find it was really good. So if you guys want to know more about BHA and what it actually does to your skin, I will link everything right down here below so you guys can actually see what is going on here. And next product, what for the summertime, I find it for summertime was really good. I had like this smaller bottle. I did order the smaller bottle, and then I went by Douglas and I got the bigger bottle. So the next product will be from Ren, the Steady Ready Glow. Let me tell you guys something. You use this, you put on a little bit of oil, moisturize on your face, sunscreen, and you're good to go. You will be glowing. You don't even need to put on makeup because your skin will be like so clear and so glowy and healthy and stuff. This AHA just did it all for me. So I really love these two products right here. We will see if something else can top up the game and we will move on. So the next product, what I really liked in 2020, what also was really the go and everything, is from the Rise and Glow from Dr. Elephant, the Elephant brand. And when it's not I just dropped it. These two products right here, I'm so cheap. I went and bought a second one, but like in the travel size, because when I'm traveling or when I'm going home, I don't want to like carry no big stuff, and nah, I'm not into it. So one is from Drunk Elephant. This serum right here is the C-FIRMA Day Serum. This was really good. I don't know why my camera is not like focusing on it. This right here was really amazing. I loved it very much. Then the next one from Drunk Elephant is the Hydration Serum. I love using this one too as well. So I take them out of this right here and I just put it inside of my bag and everything. Next product is, a lot of people have different themes of sunscreen, but I've been loving, and I got like a lot of feedback from this right here, the Shiseido S30 SPF. You know, they changed up a little bit, but it is still reasonable and it's still really great. So that is what I love. You can actually check out my video about different type of sunscreen. Also, a next sunscreen, what I've been loving so far is the BioEssence. That sunscreen is really good. And the Supergoop was also really amazing this summer. I really love it, but I end up sticking up with this right here because I find it was just like doing the best for me. So that is really good. The next two products, I will show these two at the same time, is my vitamin E oil. I use this throughout the whole year. I do not stop using it, and I empty a lot of bottles, and I'm thinking about just getting this vitamin E oil. Is from Healthy Priorities. I'm just gonna buy it with the bigger bottle and just have it throughout. Normally I buy like the two small 15 milliliters, 5 ounces bottle, and it lasts me a year. But I'm thinking about, you know, not to be spending like that much amount of money on the products. Just buy it and just use it throughout the year. Then my Elizabeth Arden, I have this. You see, I'm nearly finished, and I had this since last year, and I'm going to get a new one. That's how long this thing lasts, and I've been using this every single day. Lasts this long, then you know the product is like really good. So going on, the final two products coming on late to this year. It was like a hype, but I was using it exactly longer than expected, and it's exactly the CERA-VE. This right here, let me tell you guys something. I was using this like I said in my previous video, I stopped use my Kate Somerville for like a month, but when I actually calculated and I was like, oh sorry, I'm wrong, I stopped using my Kate Somerville for 2 months. I stopped using it and I started using the CERA-VE. This is my second bottle what I'm using right here, and let me tell you guys, you suffer from hyperpigmentation, you suffer from scarring, you suffer from oily skin, or you suffer from normal to oily skin or combination skin. This wash right here for you, it is the bomb. Of course, in some places, it's like I said, it's a little bit pricey, but I got it here and I am really happy that we finally got this product right here. It has niacinamide inside of it. Really good, really good for dark spots. If you have acne and stuff, please, this is gentle. It works. Just make sure you test it out before for no irritation on your skin or anything, because you know some people have very sensitive skin. I recommend that for sure. I even got it like in the travel size, so I will keep on using this. No doubt about my Kate Somerville. I will post a picture right up here so you guys can see. Kate Somerville products are really good, but I am going to switch up to this because it does my skin way more better than the Kate Somerville, and it's even cheaper. The Ordinary was throughout the whole year a very big hype, and one thing that I would say, the niacinamide and the zinc with 1% inside of it. Let me tell you guys something. Yes, I use this at nighttime and I use the face wash in the daytime. Nighttime, when I use this, I actually see like underneath my neck I have no more hyperpigmentation, and I'm really happy and grateful for that. You want to clear up your skin, you wanna get all them spots, you want to finally in your life, you know, some people when they have like dark spots like me, I used to feel very insecure and I used to hide it, and then I said, you know what, I have to do something about it so that I could actually feel that my self-esteem is growing and getting bigger, and I'm feeling happy about my skin and myself. So that's why I took the challenge upon me to actually look and research what is really good for my skin. I am oily to combination skin, and these are the products that what I use for oily to combination skin. If you suffer, like I said, if you suffer from blemishes, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, blackheads like me, these products will help you. Every skin is different. Yes, it's true, everybody's skin is different, but you can actually test it out first if it really works for you or not. If you're using something what is really good, that I will tell people what to use. Let me tell you guys, so we are coming to an end to this video. If you like my videos, click right down here to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on that notification bell. See you guys in my next one. Peace, love, and keep safe.